Inhloko yamaphoyisa omkhandlu waseNelson Mandela Bay u-Advocate Andrew Moses uthi baphume inqina namuhla bekuyobhekana nozikhwiliphambana nobhoko njengoba beqinisa ezokuphepha ngalamaholide. UMoses uthi kumanje kunezimoto ezingekho esimweni sokuba semgwaqweni.
You see, this one is one of our notorious roads, Koyana Street, and it actually links KwaZakele with KwaMagaki on the other side. And you see these vehicles standing over here, they are obstructing traffic. And this vehicle in particular, cracked windscreen, no dust that is valid, no front number plate. It's a problem for us. So our members are busy executing fines. You will see behind you also there's a driver receiving a fine for obstruction. Because you know, on these big days, we don't want traffic flow to be obstructed.
UMoses uphinde wanxusa izakhamuzi ukuthi zibike ukuphulwa komthetho okwenzekayo emaphoyiseni.
We are encouraging the public, please report. If you see any lawlessness, report it to the Metro Police, report it to traffic services. All of us are out in full force, and we just want everybody to be safe.
Obambe njengemeya yomkhandlu ukhansela Themkosi Mafana uthi bafuna izivakashi nezakhamuzi zizizwe ziphephile ngalamaholide.
We are on the high visibility in terms of all law enforcement agencies within the Nelson Mandela Metro. It's a show of force. But we are here and then we're making sure that everybody, even holiday, make visitors which are here, making sure that they are safe, everybody is safe.
Lomkhankaso kuboshwa abashayeli bezimoto bebeshayela bephuzile kanjalo nabe behamba ngezimoto ezingekho kuba sesimweni sokuba semgwaqweni.